So this is a great question. This brings all of the bits of the other rules together for us. And so if we can get our heads around this one, we'll really be able to tackle any question. So a to the cubed times a to the minus 1 all over a to the power of 6. So this is our question. We're going to tidy up underneath the square root first, and we'll start with the top line. So we're going to use rule number 1 first. And because these have the same base and we're multiplying them, we can add the power. So we have a to the cubed minus 1. So 3 minus 1, which will give us a to be squared on top. And we just rewrite the next bit. So if we use rule number 1, we add the powers. The next one we're going to use is rule number 2. Remember, if we have a number divided by a power divided by another one, we bring it from below the line and change the power. So it's going to be a to the power of 2 minus 6 here, which is going to give us the square root of a to the minus 4. The next one is the one that causes the kind of the most concern for students, and it's this rule here, rule number 6, which is the repackaging rule, which is to get rid of the square root, we have to rewrite this. And remember, the rule says that the nth root is equal to the power of that. So it's going to be, this is going to give us a to the minus 4 all to the power of a half. So to repackage a square root, you put it to the power of a half. We're now going to use the last rule, rule number 3, which says that if we have a power raised to a power, we multiply them. So we have a to the power of minus 4 by 1 over 2. And sometimes it makes it a little bit easier if you just write minus 4 over 1. We multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominator, which is minus 4 over 2, which means our answer is going to be 4 minus 2 gives us minus 2 here. So our answer is going to be a to the power of minus 2.